Hello everyone, I am Srinidhi Gargeya from Shiv Shivani Institution of Management, Hyderabad. Today my company review session is on State Bank of India, which is also called as SBI. Company profile of State Bank of India. SBI is an Indian multinational public sector banking. Initially, it is called as Imperial Bank of India. In 1955, Government of India and Reserve Bank of India has converted it as State Bank of India by owning 60% of stake. Now SBI is ranked 236th in Fortune Global 500 list of world's biggest corporation of 2019, and it is the largest bank in India with 23% market share by assets and 25% market share by loans and deposit market. Rajneesh Kumar is the 25th chairman of State Bank of India. His journey with State Bank of India started as a probationary officer in 1980, and he also given services to SBI as a managing director from compliance and risk. Vision and mission. Mission of SBI is committed to provide simple, responsive and innovative financial solutions. Vision. Be the bank of choice of a transforming India. Competitors. ICICI Bank, Bank of India, HDFC, Axis Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. CSR activity. SBI has initiated a foundation for Children's Welfare Fund which raised 16.46 crores rupees. Bank's CSR expenditure is rupees 6.24 crores, and it also started an institutions for rural self-employment training. Coming to the SWOT analysis, goodwill, strong backing from the government and network of the bank are strength of SBI. Weakness is limited market share growth, bad debts, huge size. Opportunities of SBI are reconstructing, increased use of technology, increase in borrowing capacity. Threats, bad loans and non-performing assets, cyber threats. Piston analysis. Political factors of SBI is political stability, which was lacking in Indian economy. Risk of military inventions. Legal framework for contract enforcement. Intellectual property protection. Economic factors of SBI is inflation rate, interest rate, unemployment, and which type of economic system is country of operations, what type of economic system there is and how stable it is, and government interventions in the free markets. Social factors are demographic and skill level of the population, attitude, leisure interests, class structure, hierarchy and power structure in the society. Technological factors. Technology impacts on product offering, impact on cost structure, impact on value chain structure in financial sector. Environmental factors, weather, climate change, law regulating environmental pollution, air and water pollution regulations in money central bank industry, recycling. Legal factors are employment law, health and safety law, data protection and discrimination law. Fosters five force. Competitive rivalry is high because India has many private and public sector banks. Threat of new entrants is low because the entry barriers are high. Bargaining power of suppliers is low. There are two types of suppliers for SBI. One provides the required materials and stationery, and other one provides the services as human resources. Bargaining power of buyers. Because the competitors are the high, though the customers are easily switched one company to other companies. Threat of substitutories. Not only banks, there are other financial institutions which provide the same products. So the threat of substitutories is medium. Share price of SBI. Highest point share price reached is rupees 370.65 on July 5th, 2019, and the lowest point share price reached is rupees 150.85 on 22nd May 2020, and today the share price is 199. Coming to the operating profit. Here we can see in the chart the operating profit of the bank from 2019 it was raised to 2020. In 2019, 55,436.03 crores, which was raised to 68,132.61 crores in 2020. Bank posted a net profit of rupees 14,488.11 crore, and net profit in 2019 was lower, which is 862.23 crores. Coming to the awards of SBI. Best Transaction Bank in India by Asian Bank for the second time in a row. The Best Trade Finance Bank in 2019 for the 8th consecutive year by Global Finance Magazine. Great Bond Pioneer Award for being the largest new emerging bank certified Climate Board Issuer of 2018 by Climate Board Initiative. Best MSME Bank Award Large Bank by CIMSME. SBI's digital initiation won the Mobile Banking Initiation of the Year India as an Asian Bank and Financial Retail Banking Award Singapore and ET BFSI Innovative Award. Thank you.